In this part of the course, let's talk about how you can make this your full-time income. So if you're someone that's like, I want to make $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing at least, here's what you need to know. So before you even see any results, I'm sure there's some people out there who get results their first month, but don't expect anything drastic. I'd say you should be posting at least 6 months consistently before you see any results. Because think about it. In your first 6 months, you're learning, you're experimenting, you're seeing what works, what doesn't, and then eventually you get the ropes, you get the hang of it, and then you're able to start making an income from it. So please don't be discouraged if you don't make money your first month. That's completely normal. And you have to treat this like a real business because it is a real business. You have to be dedicated, you have to be consistent, you have to be patient. Money doesn't come easy, and if it did, then everyone would be rich. I'd say, if you can dedicate 3 to 5 hours a day on your affiliate marketing business, that should be good. And of course, I know people who, when they first started, they're just all in their business, that's all they're doing. And sure, that's cool and all, but I understand some people have jobs and they have a life outside of this, so it can be hard to dedicate more than 5 hours a day to it. And at the end of the day, as an affiliate marketer, you have to understand you're also a content creator, right? So you are always creating content 24/7, and so make sure that you become a pro content creator. So what I mean by this is get better with content each time you go. Obviously in the beginning your content might not be perfect, but with time you'll get better. And I will say try to use trends to your advantage. Of course, you will see trends pop up here and there, so if there's a way that you can use them to get more views, definitely do so. And one last thing I want to mention, which is not on this page, is you can really experiment with affiliate marketing. Like you can pick multiple different niches. Like let's say you pick the travel niche, but then you're like, I don't really like this, maybe I want to switch to something else like cooking. Then you can do that too. So don't feel like you're trapped once you create all your pages and start creating content, because you can always rebrand or create new pages for a separate affiliate marketing business. So that's just something to keep in mind. But yeah, that's all for this part of the course.